Good morning students. Today topic is lesson number 8, differentials and partial derivatives. First we have to take differentials. The linear approximation. Let f of AB is an element of real number into real number set be a differential function and a small x naught belongs to the open interval AB, then we have to find linear approximation. The linear approximation L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. This x minus x naught is x minus x naught is equal to deviation del x. X minus x naught is, sometimes we have to use x minus x naught as del x. Okay, now ex number 8.1, sum number 1. Let f of x equal to cube root of x. Find the linear approximation to approximate cube root of 27.2. Let f of x is equal to cube root of x. This means x power 1 by 3. X naught be 27 whole number. X minus x naught or del x is equal to 0.2. Now we know that L of x, linear approximation, is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught of x minus a x naught. In this case, first to find f of x naught. F of x is x power 1 by 3. X naught is 27. X naught is 27. F of x naught. Put x equal to x naught. F of x naught is equal to x naught power 1 by 3. X naught power 1 by 3 is equal to 27 power 1 by 3 is equal to 27 is 3 power 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 3 cancel. F of x naught is 3. Next find f dash of x. F dash of x equal to, using the formula x power n, nx power n minus 1, 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3. This means 1 by 3 into 1 by x power positive 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into, now f dash of x naught. F dash of x naught is equal to, here put x is equal to x naught. X naught is 27. 3 power 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3. This and this are cancelled. Is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 square 9 is equal to 1 by 27. 27.2 is equal to f of x naught. F of x naught is 3 plus 1 by 27 f dash of x naught into 0.2 is equal to 3 plus 0.2 divided by 27. 0.2 divided by 27 is 3 plus 0.0074 is equal to 3.0074 is answer. Next, question number 2. Use the linear approximation to find the approximate value of number 1, 1 2 3 power 2 by 3. In this case, let f of x equal to x power 2 by 3. Let x naught is equal to 125, round number 125. Del x is minus 2. 125 minus 2 is 123 is given. Now f dash of x. F dash of x is using the formula n x power n minus 1, 2 by 3 x power 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 1 by x power 1 by 3. In this case, 2 by 3 1 by x is 125. So 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. This and this are cancelled. We get 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 2 divided by 15. F dash of x naught is f dash of, this case f dash of x naught. F dash of x is 2 by 3 1 by x power 1 by 3. But f of x is x power 2 by 3. F of x naught is equal to 125 whole to the power of 2 by 3. This means 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. Now linear approximation L of x, we know that linear approximation is equal to formula f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into del x or x minus a x naught plus f dash of x naught is 2 divided by 15 into del x is minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 25 minus 4 divided by 15 is equal to 25 minus 4 divided by 15 is 0.27 is equal to 24.73 is linear approximation L of x. L of x is 123 power 2 by 3. Question number, solution number 2. Fourth root of 15. Let f of x equal to x power 1 by 4, fourth root of x. Now x naught is, let x naught is equal to 16, del x is equal to minus 1. Now we know that linear approximation L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into del x or x minus x naught. First to find f of x naught. F of x naught is 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is 16 power 1 by 4. This and this are cancelled. Therefore 2 is f of x naught. F of x naught is equal to 2. Next f dash of x first find. We get 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1 nx power n minus 1 formula 1 by 4 x power minus 3 by 4. This means 1 by 4 into 1 by x power positive 3 by 4. F dash of x naught is f dash of x naught is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is x naught, 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4, 4 cancel, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 1 by 4 into 8 is equal to 1 by 32. F of x naught is 2 plus f dash of x naught 1 by 32 into del x is minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 32. 2 minus 1 by 32 is 0.0312 is equal to 2.0000 minus 0.0312 is equal to subtracting 8 6 9 1 1.9688. This is fourth root of 50 is equal to 1.9688. Solution number 3, cube root of 26. F of x equal to, let f of x is equal to cube root of x is equal to x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3. Let x naught is equal to 25, del x is equal to positive, x naught is 25, 25 means 5 over 3 is 5 into 5, no, 27, take 27, here minus 1. Suppose we have to take 25, square root is given, then answer is okay. But in this case, cube root is given, therefore 27. You have to take x naught as 27. Now, f of, we know that linear approximation f of x, L of x equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into del x or x minus x naught. First to find f of x naught, f of 27 is equal to cube root of 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 power 1 by 3. This and this are cancelled. We get 3. This is f of x naught. Next, f dash of x. F dash of x means 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. Using the formula ns power n minus 1. 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3. This means 1 by 3 1 by x power 2 by 3. Now f dash of x naught, f dash of x naught. X naught is 27. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3. 3 cancel. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 square is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 9 is equal to 1 divided by 27. Now L of x is equal to f of x naught. F of x naught is 3 plus 1 by 27 f dash of x naught into del x is minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 27. 1 by 27 is 0.037. Subtract 0.3037 from 3, we get 2.963. This is linear approximation of cube root of 26. 2.963. Find the approximation for the following function. At the indicated points number 1, f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x plus 12 at x naught is equal to positive 2. Let f of x equal to x cube minus 5x plus 12. Now f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. First f of x naught. F of x naught is equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 into 3 plus 12 is equal to 8 minus 15 plus 12. 20 5 3s are 15, no 5 2s are 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 is f of x naught. F dash of x is 3x square minus 5. F dash of x naught is 2 in this case. So f dash of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 5 is equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now we know that L of x linear approximation is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into del x or x minus x naught. In this case x minus a x naught. Here x naught is given, therefore x minus a x naught. F of x naught is 10 plus f dash of x is 7. F dash of x naught is 7 into x minus a 2 is equal to 10 plus 7x minus 14. 7x minus 4. This 7x minus 4 is L of x. Linear approximation L of x equal to 7x minus 4 at x is equal to 2. Solution number 2. G of x equal to square root of x square plus 9 at x naught is equal to minus 4 is given. G of x equal to square root of x square plus 9. G of x naught minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 9, 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 is equal to 5. 5 is G naught, G of x naught. In this case G of x naught. Next in G dash of x. G dash of x is square root of x square plus 9. 1 divided by 2 into root of x square plus 9 into 2x. 2 to cancel. X divided by square root of x square plus 9. Now G dash of x naught. X naught is minus 4, so minus 4 divided by minus 4 whole square plus 9 is 16, plus 9 is 25, taking square root 5 minus 4 divided by 5. We know that linear approximation L of x equal to, in this case G of x naught plus G dash of x naught into x minus x naught is equal to G of x naught is 5 plus G dash of x naught is minus 4 by 5 into x minus of minus plus, so x plus 4 is equal to 5 minus 4 by 5 into x plus 4 minus 4 into x plus 4, 4 into x plus 4 divided by LCM 5 is equal to 25 minus 4x minus 16 divided by 5. So 9 minus 4x divided by 5. 9 minus 4x divided by 5 is linear approximation. L of x is equal to 9 minus 4x divided by 5. Hence the result. Solution number 3. H of x is given by x divided by x plus 1 at x naught is equal to 1. H of x equal to x by x plus 1. H of x naught, so 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Next h dash of x is equal to variable numerator and denominator. Therefore u by v are the form v du minus u dv divided by v square. Differentiate u by v are the form is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. Now denominator x plus 1, numerator differentiation is 1 minus numerator x into denominator 1 plus 0, 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 minus x divided by x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Now h dash of x naught. Here x naught is 1, therefore 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. H of x naught is 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 square is 4. Now L of x linear approximation is equal to h x naught plus h dash of x naught into x minus x naught. H of x naught is 1 by 2. H of x naught is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 x minus x naught is 1. So 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 4. First term multiply numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 4 is linear approximation. X plus 1 divided by 4 is answer. The radius of a circular plate circular plate is measured as 12.65 centimeter inside instead of the actual length instead of the actual length 12.5 centimeter. Find the following in calculating the area of circular plate. Number 1, actual error. Number 2, relative error. Number 3, percentage error. First, actual length. Actual length is 12.5 centimeter. Actual length is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Approximate length is equal to 12.65 centimeter. The area of a circular plate is equal to formula pi r square. Now actual length in the area 12.5 is equal to pi into 12.5 whole square is equal to pi into 15625 is equal to 156.25 centimeter square area. Next, actual length of 12.65 in area is equal to pi into 12.65 whole square is equal to pi into 160.0225 is equal to 160.0225 centimeter square. Absolute value is equal to 12.65 minus 12.5. 12.65 minus 12.50 is equal to 0.15. Absolute error is equal to pi into 0.15 whole square is equal to pi 0.0225 is equal to pi into 0.0225 pi. Unit is centimeter square. In this case area, therefore cm square. Absolute error. Next, number 2, relative error. Relative error is equal to absolute area of 12.65 minus area of 12.5 divided by area of 12.65 is equal to 160.0225 pi minus 156.25 pi divided by 160.0225 pi is equal to 0.0235 centimeter square or 0.024 centimeter square. Number 3, percentage error. Percentage error is equal to relative error into 100. Relative error into 100. Relative error is 0.024 into 100 is equal to 24%. 8.2. Find the differential. Find the differential dy for each of the following. For number 1, substitution y is equal to 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 4x. Let y is equal to 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 4x. Y with respect to x dy is equal to u by v of the form 3 minus 4x. Differentiate numerator with respect to x 3 into 1 minus 2x into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 3 denominator differentiation minus 4 whole divided by 3 minus 4x whole square. Y is equal to dy by dx This case common 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square, remaining part 9 minus 9 plus 12x plus 2 minus 4x whole divided by 3 minus 4x whole square. Now dy is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square, 12x minus 4x is 8x minus 7, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7 divided by 3 minus 4x whole square into dx. This is differential of y. Next, question number 2. Subdivision number 2. Y is equal to 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3. Dy is equal to differentiate, let y is equal to 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3. Differentiate y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, using the formula x power n and x power n minus 1 2 by 3 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 into cos 2x into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4 4 by 3 cos 2x 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. So denominator minus 1 by 3, it will comes to denominator positive. So 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 1 by 3. Dy is equal to 4 by 3 cos 2x divided by 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 1 by 3 into dx. Differential of y is 4 by 3 cos 2x divided by 3 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 1 by 3 into dx is answer. Next, sum number 2. Find dy for f of x is equal to x square plus 3x. Evaluate it for number 1 x is equal to dx is equal to 0.1. Let f is equal to, f is a function, f is equal to x square plus 3x, df is equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. At dx is 0.1 when x is equal to 2 and dx is equal to 0.1. 2 into 2 plus 3 of 0.1 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 into 0.1 is equal to 0.7 is answer. Subdivision number 2. x is equal to 3, dx is equal to 0.02. F is already given. Let f is equal to x square plus 3x, df is equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. Apply x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 plus 3, and dx is 0.02 is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9 into 0.02 is equal to 0.18 is df. Next, question number 6. Of a particular bird is very nearly spherical if the radius of the inside of the cell is 5 millimeter and the radius of the outside of the cell is 5.3 millimeter. Find the volume of the cell. Find the volume of the cell. Volume of the space equal to, we know that volume of the space equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here dr is equal to 5.3 outside, inside 5 millimeter. So 5.3 minus 5.0 is equal to 0.3 millimeter. Approximate volume is equal to approximate volume is dV, one time differentiation, is equal to 4 by 3 pi is a constant number. R square r cube differentiation is 3r square dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into r is pi, therefore pi square into 0.3. 3 cancel, 25 100 into 0.3, so 30 pi millimeter cube. Question number 7. Assume that the cross section of the earth of human is circular in shape, is circular. Your drug is given to a patient to delay his arteries. If the radius of an artery is increased from 2 millimeter to 2.1 millimeter. How much? Is cross sectional area increased approximately. Given radius is 2 millimeter. Difference in radius TR is 2.1 minus 2.0 is equal to 0.1 millimeter. Area is equal to pi r square. Approximate area is D is equal to pi into 2r dr, but r is 2 millimeter, dr is 0.1 millimeter, is equal to pi into 2 into 0.1 millimeter, is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 into 0.1 is 0.4 into pi. Today homework, EX number 8.1, sum number 5, 6 and 7. EX number 8.2, sum number 1, subdivision number 3, third sum 4, 5, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Study well. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.